chat must be off, by the way, now. Because I just turned off the lecture. Or just switched. You want your voice recorded? Okay, the fly is just irritating. Okay. The whole time I thought I was just now recording my voice, but literally my brain literally lit up. It's teasing me now again, but I don't have the microphone on. Okay, that's not good. Okay, so y'all do not hear me now good. Just pop it in there. Just pop it smoothly in. Just get a flick in the box. I will start unboxing the mic. I just heard something. I heard it again. Okay, for some reason this thing has a mirror. You can see the camera itself. Oh my gosh. Wait, you can, that's so cool. You can do that. By the way, I posted a short about it. I already know. But I just find it out cool every time. Hey, so bye-bye. I'll see you again when I post again a video.